boys and girls, we're live from Dangriga inside the Carl Ramos Stadium. Game 2 of this beautiful Sunday. Taifa under 17 versus Wagera Le. We're getting started with this second game as our boys prepare for this championship game.
Now defending the southern part of the football field is Bagarele, and defending the northern part of the football field is Daifa. Touch for Wagerale. As you see in blue and orange is Wagerale. Daifa in red, gold and green. Wagerale in control. Change the play there. Eastern part of the pitch. Trying to work around there. Therefore, take it off. Another throw in from that eastern part of the football pitch. Control. Number 11. Number 7. What opportunity? What opportunity? And you give it away. Foul by number 10. Number Garale. A spot kick for Daifa. Number 10 in control, Wagerele. Number 10 in control. Pass to number 7. Number 7. What a defensive play from Daifa. Sakana kick for Wagerele. As you could see, Bantan, Wagerele is coming with a hot pressure, a lot of pressure.
Wagerele coming in hot. Wagerele coming suket. As the game starts, we're in the 6 minutes, 28 seconds right now into this ball game. And Wagerele is already putting on the pressure. Bubbling. Wagerele.
Kana kick by Wagerele. Header by number 7.
Good try.
Goal kick for Daifa.
Daifa playing out on the northern side of the football pitch, ladies and gentlemen. Wagerele playing on the southern part.
Wagerele in control. Back to number 4. Number 4 in control. Passes to number 8. Number 18. Passes the ball. Advantage play by Daifa. What a defensive play from Wagerele. Ball throwing for Daifa. Goalkeeper mark. Spot kick for Wagerele. Foul by Daifa. That was a foul by number what, Bantan?
That is number The ball.
That's a warning from Williams. Spot kick for Wagerale.
Wagerale in control. Number 19. Number 18, sorry. Wagerale ball again from half the
southeastern part of the football
side. Number 10, Wagerale. Wagerale. Wagerale.
What a pass to number 11. What a gets away. Beats a man. Number 11 back number 10. What a shot. Goal! Goal! Wagerale, 1-0 against Taifa. Let's give an exact minute what goal scored by that.
The goal scored in the 9 minutes of the ball game. First 9 minutes.
No one. Taifa in control. Intercepted by Wagerale, number 7 in control.
Wagerale. Wagerale. Taifa. Taifa. Wagerale number 25. Ball off the football pitch. From us the eastern, southern eastern part of the football pitch. Throw in. Wagerale.
Number 18 in control, intercepted by
Number 13 from Taifa. Number 10, Taifa. Taifa. Number 10.
Number 10 again. Number 10 again. Intercepted by Taifa in control. Taifa in control, number 2. Intercepted by Wagerale in control, number 11 in control. Number 11 loses the ball. There's a throw in from the southern western part of the pitch. Number 15 throwing the ball for Taifa. Then a throw in again by Taifa. Intercepted by Wagerale. Wagerale in control. Wagerale, all right. Back to Taifa, number 15. Number 15. Intercepted by number 10. Number 10 in control. Number 10 in control. Ball play. Number 10, Taifa. Intercepted from Wagerale. Wagerale in control. Wagerale in control. Intercepted by number 4. Number 15 in control. Taifa in control. Taifa in control. Set up in the head. Intercepted by Wagerale. Taifa in control. What a shot. Goal kick for Wagerale. Wagerale in control. Intercepted by number 2. Intercepted by number 2. Number 2 to the striker. Advantage play. No! What advantage play? Get to capitalize on those plays. Therefore, you have to capitalize. By Wagerale. Number 4 to number 10. Number 10 in control. Number 10 in control. To number 8. Intercepted. Number 2 in control. Goalkeeper ball. Number 12 in control. Wagerale. Intercepted by Taifa. Taifa in control. Out of my life. What a... Okay, Raleigh. Number 7 in control. Number 7 in control. What a defensive play by Daifa. Spot kick for Daifa from the goalkeeper. Back in control. Throw in for Daifa. In control, number 10 in control. Beats a man in control. Number 10 to number 7. Number 7 in control. Number 7. Good defensive play from Daifa. It's out. Number 15 in control. Number 15 to number 10. Number 10. Now to the striker. What advantage play. What advantage play. Good defensive play from Wagarale. Number 25.
Daifa.
Daifa. On the southeastern part of the football pitch, what a kind of kick, keeper in control. Now, number 7 in control. Intercepted by, now back to Wagarale, number 11 in control. Number 11 in control, number 11. Still Wagarale, number 8. Back to number 10 in control. Number 10 in control. Number 10 beats a man. What a defensive play from Daifa. Back in control.
Daifa.
Number 9 in control. The defense is there always. Wagarale in control. Intercepted by Daifa. Control by number 10. Number 10 in control. Intercepted by number 12. Number 10 in control again. Number 10 in control. Passes to number 2. What a giveaway. Defensive goalkeeper is there. Throwing kick for Wagarale. The southeastern part of the pitch. Number 10 in control. What a pass from number 10. What a pass from number 10. Look at this. What a pass. Good defensive play from Daifa. It's a goal kick for Daifa. Daifa in control. Daifa in control. Well, that's a goal kick for Wagarale. Take it away, Bantan.
Nice game going on inside the Carramo Stadium on a beautiful Sunday evening. Dangriga, nice. Hummingbird, HD, knockoff, Umadagu. 4 goals to 1.
What a break, what a advantage, what a shot. Daifa with those goal opportunity.
And can't capitalize. 2
goal opportunity for Daifa.
Bubbling. Seasoning, but no taste.
Goal kick for Wagarale. Number 10. That's an outside.
Outside.
Number 7, all alone. That's spot kick for Wagarale. Now what also between Daifa and Wagarale gets away. Opportunity. What an opportunity. Giving away again.
Daifa getting all those not capitalizing. Seasoning, no taste. While Wagerale bubbling already, 1-0.
In control, Taifa, number 15 in control. Centered, good defensive play from Wagerale. No, go on opportunity, no. Go on opportunity, no. Give, oh man.
Taifa playing very aggressive.
Can't find the back of the
goal. Bubbling.
Opportunity after opportunity.
Seasoning. Probably need some jerk seasoning now.
Taifa Wagerale control. Battle number 4. In control. Battle number 19. Battle number 19. Number 8 in control. Number 8. What a spectacle pass. Number 11. Outside. Wagerale. Spot kick for Taifa. Spot kick for Taifa at the northwestern part of the field. Number 8 up in the head. Up in the head. Goalkeeper is there. Back to number 4. Number 4 in control. Number 4 in control. Number 4 in control. Back to number 10. Number 10 in control. Number 10. Number 10 in control. Back to number 11. Number 11 in control. Number 11. Moving and bubbling and weaving. What a shot from number 11. What a giveaway.
Wagerale, seasoning. They got a little taste already, but it still needs to soften. Marinate.
Taifa in control. Up in the head. 2 defense against number 8. Number 8. Still in control. Number 8 still in control. Still in control. Should be across the goal. What a goal and opportunity. Giving away again.
Nobody.
Keeper in control. Wagerale in control. What a get away. No, number 11. Number 11 in control. Number 11 in control. Taking a good defensive by 16, but what a shot. But Bantan, I think number 11 got to be much smarter.
Yeah, pass the ball.
Number 11 needs to be much smarter. Everything is not rushed. You got to look across and see who is coming with you. No need to rush. But now, Akim McDonald is here. Fresh from San Pedro. In control. Now, Taifa. Goalkeeper. Kick out by the goalkeeper from Wagerale. Number 11. Number 4 in control. Out. In control again. Taifa still in control. Number 15 in control. Number 15 in control. Still in control. Walking over it. Stepping over it. Still in control. Still in control. Hey. Good move from the youth. Respect. That's a foul. A foul is a foul. Gotta be real. Spot kick for Taifa. Number 8 on top of the ball. What a shot. Spot kick for, goal kick for Wagerale. Ball to number 10 in control. Number 8, intercepted by Wagerale. Number 10 in control. Back to number 10 again. Intercepted by Taifa in control. Taifa in control. Throw in on the south eastern part of the pitch for
Taifa.
Right. Taifa with red, gold and green. Wagerale in blue and white. Therefore in control. Therefore in control. Back to number 3, number 3. So throwing for Therefore. What a big throw. Back to Therefore. Therefore in control. Therefore in control. Advantage opportunity. What a shot. Given away again. By Therefore. So much opportunity. I can't find the back of the goal.
Seasoning, but no taste.
Number 11 in control, number 11. Number 11 in control, beats a man. Beats a man. Intercepted by Therefore. Number 10 in control. Number 10. And number 3. Number 3 in control still. Intercepted by Therefore. Therefore in control. Therefore in control. Ball to number 14. Intercepted but still for Therefore. Throwing kick for Therefore in the southeastern part of the pitch.
24 minutes into this ball game, people.
Throwing by Therefore. Intercepted by Buckle. Therefore. We're in control. Number 7. We're in control. Intercepted by number 15. Number 10 in control. Number 10. Number 3. Number 3, 1-on-1. Number 3. Intercepted again by the center. It's a goal kick for Wagerale. Therefore in control. Therefore in control. Therefore in control. Therefore in control. A pass to intercepted by Wagerale. Wagerale in control. Intercepted. In control. Wagerale in control. Back to number 11. 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 Number 11 still in control. Back to number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Beats a man. What a foul. Spot kick for Wagerale. Got to give the youths them a lot of credit. A lot of talent in that area. A lot of talent. It's been years. I haven't seen under 15 and 17. Spot kick. Give it away. Goal kick for Therefore. Therefore in control. Therefore in control. Intercepted by Wagerale. Number 12. Number 12 to number 10. 10 in control. 11. Number 11.
Alright.
Number 11 in control.
Hurry up.
Number 11 in control. 18 in control. Intercepted. Still 18 in control. Number 11. Wagerale. Wagerale in control. Wagerale. by Bulgarian control number 4. Number 4. Give it away now. Look at the advantage play. What opportunity give it away. Bulgarian control. That's the by number 2. Number 2 on the shot. Out of the line by number 4. No, 11 around number 4, 11. Defensive play. Back in control, number 8 in control. Back to 10, Bagarel in control. Number 10, number 11, intercepted by Taifa. Number 12, out of the knife. Bagarel, 18, back to number 10. Number 10 in control. Number 10, centers to number 8. Number 8 alone. Number 8. Push it back to number 11 in control. It's an offside. Linesman said it's an offside. What a wonderful game in the Garama Stadium under 17. Number 4 control, Daifa. Number 4. Set up to intercepted by number 10. Number 10 to number 11 in control. Back to 8 in control. Back to 10 to number 8. Number 18. Intercepted by Daifa. Again intercepted by Wagerale. Daifa in control. Wagerale. Wrong one man. Out. Intercepted by number. Back to number 8. Number 8 to number 10. Number control. Beats a man. Number 10. Fall by Daifa. You just got to come up. Number 11 in control. Number 11 in control. Number 11. Go get one more man. Get another. Pass this to one. What a opportunity again. Goal kick for Daifa.
Get out of the bubble. Both teams
won a championship.
Both of them won the championship.
Daifa in control. Start number 8. Intercepted by 25. Header by Daifa. Number 10. In control. Number 10 in control. Number 2. Control. Number 15. Half the field. Throw in for Wagerale. On the southwestern part of the pitch. Wagerale control. Number 10. Back on the face back. 11 in control. Number 18 in control. Number 9. Corner kick. East southwestern part of the pitch. Control number 9. Intercepted by Wagarele. Number 2. What goalkeeper, big save by the goalkeeper. Big save by the goalkeeper. Wagarele in control. Wagarele in control. Taifa, number 10. Taifa, number 10. In control. 15 control, 15 control, number 10 control. Watch out, 1-on-1 gets away. Still in control, Taifa in control, number 14. Wagarele in control, number 11. Intercepted by 15. Number 15. All right. Throw in for Wagarele. Throw in for Wagarele. Wagarele in control. Throw in. Wagarele in control. Back to number 4. Control by number 10. Hey man, it's a high kick. High kick, that's high man. High. That's a high kick. It's a high kick. But intentional goalkeeper Wagarele. Out, big kick out. Intercepted by number 8 in control Wagarele. Number 8 in control. Open head for the striker. It's a 1-on-1. It's a 1-on-1. Goal kick for Taifa. Well, the referee make a decision for a corner kick for Wagarele.
Left to go back, you hold the ball. Left up. Wait till you get done if you want.
Put it up in the hand. When you must set up.
Corner kick for Wagarele.
Wagarele fans the right hard.
Center, what a wonderful drop. Goalkeeper, you control.
Volley hard. I like how that volley plays.
No, look at this play, advantage. Look at this getaway. Defender is right there. Defender is right there. Corner kick for Taifa. On the southwestern part of the pitch.
Don't get it, Justin. Don't get it by by.
Throw in for Taifa. To number 6. Number 6 in control. Centered the ball. Intercepted by Wagarele. Number 10 in control. Number 10. Number 10 in control. Intercepted by. Intercepted by Taifa. 14 in control. Center in control. 18. Bagheera in control. What a push, what a wonderful pass. In control. Bagheera in control. Bagheera in control. Center. Taifa, number 2. What a shot! Oh, what a giveaway! Opportunity after opportunity. Opportunity after opportunity. Taifa.
One more touch and then.
Opportunity after opportunity. Taifa again. Goalkeeper for Bagheera. Goalkeeper. Bagheera in control. Bagheera in control. Back to number 10. Number 10. Number 10.
Bueno.
Number 10. Forward. Defenders are there. Defenders are there. Defenders are there. Taifa. In control. Number 7. Bagheera in control. Number 7. Intercepted by Taifa. Intercepted by Taifa. Look at this opportunity. Look. Goalkeeper. Bagheera in control. Bagheera in control. To number 11. 11 in control. Center to number 9. Number 9 gets away. Number 9 gets away. Flat kick for Taifa. Coming to live from Karama Stadium. Taifa TV. Coming to live.
Tap the rail up, tap the rail up.
Goal. Start kick for Taifa. Goalkeeper. Up in the head. Now look at it. Defense intercepted by Bagheera. Number 10. Headed out by Taifa. To number 10. Back in control. Back in control. Defended by Taifa. Headed by Taifa in control. Taifa. Number 13. Number 13. Passes to 10. 10 back to 13. 13 in control. 13 still in control. Back. Still in control. Number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Intercepted by Bagheera. Given away again. Intercepted by Taifa. Centered by Taifa. Keeper. Control. Throwing for Taifa.
One nil. Esto Luna, ya fue mention how much to get there.
Back to the game. Achi's in the house. Trying to come with a lot of tactics. Alright. 1-0, 1 goal to nil. 1 goal to nil. Like Bagheera. 1 goal to nil. Ball in control. Bagheera in control. 11. To number 9. Bagheera in control. Bagheera. Centered by Bagheera. Intercepted by Taifa. Taifa in control. Number 10 in control. Number 10 in control. Number 10. Intercepted by number 10 from Bagheera. Number 11 in control. Number 11. Still in control. Number 10. Intercepted. Back to Bagheera. Number 4 in control. Number 4. What a shot. Goal kick for Taifa. And the not part of the football pitch. This game is hot.
This game is Sukati.
We understand the pressure, but yo, Taifa, I want to go to the Taifa. Goalkeeper. Wagara in control. Intercepted by Daifa. 18 control. 18. Intercepted by Wagara. What a defense. Number 10. Number 10 in control. Number 10 still in control. Number 10. Number 10 still in control. Number 10. Check it. Intercepted by 15. Intercepted by 15. No, intercepted by 12. Out of my life by number 2 from Taifa. Now he's throwing for Wagarale at the southwestern part of the pitch. Good defense by Wagarale. What is a defensive again? What a play by the striker from Taifa. Throw in by Taifa. By number 10. Number 10. Wagarale in control. Wagarale in control. Wagarale. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Wagarale. Number 7. Passes to number 4. Intercepted by number 2. Taifa in control. Taifa in control. Taifa beats a man, number 6. What a pass! What a pass! Number 2 in control. Gets away. You can't stand in the fans because I'm a commentator. It's the truth that I'm saying. So. The fans are getting hot. Really hot. Wagarale in control. Wagarale. Back number 10. Number 10. Wagarale in control. Number 4. Up to number 7. No, it's a defense. No, it's a play. Opportunity again. Intercepted by number 8. Ball in control. Taifa in control. Taifa in control. Give away. What a control again. Number 10 in control. Number 10. Intercepted by 11. Number 10 back in control. Ball. Spot kick for Wagarale.
Not there. Oh, boy.
Taifa in control. Taifa in control. Taifa in control. Back in by Wagarale. Taifa in control. Intercepted by Wagarale. Number 10 in control. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Pass number 7. What a break. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Oh.
Oh,
championship. But get ready, going against Daifa. Youths are the future. Yo, the youths are the future. Remember this. It's been a while. It's been a while. Can't kick for Daifa. We're going to let on top. One goes to nil against Daifa. Corner kick for Daifa. From the southeastern part of the pitch. Centered by Daifa. Opportunity. What a save by the goalkeeper. What a save by the goalkeeper. What a save by the goalkeeper. Good ball game in Karama Stadium coming to live on Daifa TV. Throwing for Daifa. Intercepted by Bagerale. Counter. Bagerale, number 11 in control. Number 11 in control. Number 11 in control. Intercepted by number 2. Back again. What a hustle for the two guys on the pitch. First half of the game. Coming through live from Daifa. Bantan, the cameraman. Second half coming to live. Middle of the pitch. Gisha Williams doing a wonderful job. Gisha. Big game and a 17 championship.